What if I tell you that you can reach your website visitors without having their email addresses or phone numbers? Hello everyone, I'm David from wooxy.com. This video is about web push notifications, their benefits, use cases, and how to get started. What are web push notifications? Web push notifications are these little messages that may randomly pop up on your screen. Have you ever seen them before? Well, they are actually proven to increase website traffic, boost engagement, and conversions. So how do they work? First, the website requests permission from your site visitor to send notifications. Once approved, web push notifications open up endless possibilities for communication, from flash sales to breaking news. Actually, the use cases are endless. You can send notifications straight to your users' devices, whether they are browsing your website or not. Well, let's see how to use web push notifications on wooxy.com. Let's start with integration. Your first step is to locate and click the Integrations button. Select JavaScript API and add your website by choosing your domain name, ensuring Web Push is selected. Then click Create. When the code appears, add it to your website main HTML template to start gathering user data. You can also share the code with your developer using the button at the very bottom of the page. Create a message template. In the template section, you can see your existing templates and create new ones for email, SMS, Viber, Telegram, and of course web push. Here is a message template for web push notifications I made before. These notifications can feature text, images, and action buttons, all personalized for each user using variables. Create a web push campaign. Click the Campaigns button and select Create a new one. Name your campaign and choose your contact list. Segmenting your audience is optional. TTL or time to life in web push notifications is the time a message waits to be delivered if your user's device is offline. Click Next tab. Here you can send your campaign immediately, schedule it, or set it to repeat. Finally, click Launch to set up your scheduled campaign. In addition to creating your own campaigns, you can explore a range of ready-made ones in our automation marketplace. All of them have been crafted by professional marketers to help businesses automate the process of staying connected with existing customers and acquiring new ones. Just choose the automation you prefer, click on it, and then select Import to my workflows. As simple as that. To wrap up, web push notifications are great for engaging and retaining users, providing instant, personalized, and cost-effective communication. Have a great day and subscribe for more tips.